Okay, sanibona again ivideo yesithathu mayelana ne-taxi industry ngoba ngicathi sekuyiminyaka engaphezu kweshumi uma uwumuntu oqaphelayo owabona ukuthi osomatekisi ba abasenandaba nesizwe nezizwe ze-South Africa futhi bayawalekelela ama-foreigner. Ngizobuyela la eGoli. Ama-Taxi Association awase-Eldorado Park naseSoweto bavuma ukuthi ama-Nigeria angene e-Taxi rank adayise ama-cellphone ekuwukuthi antshontshwa kuma-Black South Africans, kukhuthuzwa omama base-South Africa, abantu base-South Africa khona lapha emgaqweni, ama-cellphone afakwe la kuma-cubicle awasema-taxi rank phambi kwama-taxi operator. Sikhule thina sazi ukuthi ngeke wenze ubugebengu phambi kwama-taxi operator, kodwa I will tell you by the year 2005 ama-taxi operator were no longer anything called abavikeli bomphakathi ever. So we saw bebuka ama-Nigeria ethatha wonke lama cubicle alapha ema-rank and then ezodayisa iy'dakamizwa phambi kwabo as taxi operators, and then nakhona futhi lapho bengena ngama-coloured ase-Eldorado Park who were exactly criminals who spread drugs. So they simply partnered with them at that stage and then they continued in drug trade. So if the taxi industry had any foot, ngabe black foreigners never even made there to those cubicles zase-taxi rank. That is why Bhuti Mngizo mawukhumbula masimasha laphaya sidlula e-taxi rank bayimele lapha phezulu kahle hle, they are not encouraging us mababheka lapha phezulu. Instead basibuka sakusihleka ngazathi asiyazi into esiyenzayo. Those are our taxi operators today. They are not on the nation's side, all right, because they are not patriotic. It is describe okuningi, but right there when ama-Nigeria elethwa ukuzokhanda ama-electronics business ngama-cellphone ethu akhuthuzwe ama-Zimbabwe nabafana bey'kole zasema-multiracial abantshontshela abangani babo amafoni, bebewaletha lapha kuma-Nigeria eceleni kwama-taxi operator, futhi ama-taxi operator bewengenankinga. All right, so and then ama-drugs nawo therefore lapho mabeqeda wona ama-taxi operator awazange benendaba abomama bethu base-South Africa beqedelwa ukudla ama-foreigner and then bethathelwa ama-cubicle abo and then kwakunabusisi esasibajwayele baqhama ko-Piet Retief ababedayisa ukudla labo awasekho wonke lawo mabhizinisi avalwe phambi kwawo ama-taxi operator wona as taxi operators elekelela ama-foreigner. So if they cared about their Zulus and their black South Africans, they would not have allowed that. So we saw that, and then I'm like, if you think about Rosettenville nabo Yeoville, angithi vele ama-taxi abo ahambisa ama-foreigner. So what do you think? Vele benganeme nangaleso sikhathi siyomashe Hillbrow. I saw them, I saw some of their attitudes ukuthi they are angry, they don't give a damn because they are no longer abasesibo abantu, ama-gangster. When the taxi industry became gangsters, that's when they lost humanity. So that's when they lost patriotism. Abasekho sohlangothini lwethu from the day beba yi-ANC, that is when we lost the taxi industry. Baphela abantu from that day. So now when you look whether uset rank yasemlazo or whatever, bheka lapha eceleni kwama-rank, ama-foreigner wonke adayisa ama-vegetable, ama-foreigner wodwa agunda iy'nwele. Kangisho ngidlula lapha koThekwini ngithi labantu ba-protectwe ama-taxi operator, laba ba-protectwe labantu baseMalawi yi-levy zama-taxi operator. Kokunye ngafika kwaMayimayi ngiyahamba ngiphila emadolobheni amathathu, so ngifika kwaMayimayi, hayi bo, kukhona ama-Malawian akhanda ama-furniture, ngazibuzisa and then kanjani, that was around maybe angisakhumbuli, but or was it before 2015 or around 2018, angisakhumbuli lapho nje. Ngiyamaza ngithi amaZulu akithi sewelentozi sefaka amaMalawi phakathi komayimayi. Wow. Ngaleso sikhathi lo mZulu uyawazi amaZulu akubo akwazi ukubaza, but ufuna labantu azobaxhaphaza ukuthi babe ama-slaves akhe, stroke partnership protection fees whatsoever. Exactly why emahostela sokuney'tolo zama-foreigner, same reason. So we can't look at the taxi industry and the operators as people who care about us. They don't give a damn even if we die. They don't care. As long as bona bayitholile imali. Abasenabo ubuntu. Inkinga yaqala nasekuthini baningi abathwele nje. So umuntu uthwele akanandaba nomndeni wakubo kuqala. So besiyini ke thina siyisizwe kubantu abangasesibo abantu. That's the problem. Thank you.